Hey there! Experiencing issues with your Panasonic TV remote controller? Don't worry. This guide on how to fix Panasonic TV remote controller is just what you need. We'll walk you through simple troubleshooting steps and provide practical solutions to get your remote working smoothly again. Step 1. Check the batteries. The first port of call when your Panasonic TV remote isn't working is to check the batteries. Open the battery compartment and ensure that they are properly aligned with the polarity symbols. If your remote still doesn't work, replace the old batteries with fresh ones. Sometimes, even if your batteries seem to have juice left, they may not have enough power to operate this remote effectively. When inserting new batteries, ensure they are high quality alkaline batteries for optimal performance. Step 2. Inspect for physical damage. After checking the batteries, look for any visible damage to your remote control. Physical issues like cracks or missing buttons can impede functionality. If you find cracks or the remote isn't sitting right in your hand, it might be affecting the internal electronics. In such cases, strongly consider replacing the remote. For missing buttons, troubleshoot by using a pen or a small object to press down gently where the button should be as a temporary fix. Step 3. Reset the remote control. Sometimes resetting the remote control can resolve functionality issues. To reset your Panasonic TV remote, remove the batteries and press every button on the remote once. This discharges any residual power that might be causing problems. Wait for a few minutes, then insert the batteries and try using the remote again. Resetting the remote clears minor bugs and gets it back to its default state. Step 4. Test the remote's IR signal. If your Panasonic TV remote still doesn't work, test its infrared or IR signal to ensure it's transmitting properly. To do this, use your smartphone camera. Point the remote towards the camera lens, then press any button on the remote. If the IR signal is working, you will see a light flashing on the camera screen. If there's no flash, the remote might be faulty and might need repair or replacement. Step 5. Clean the remote. Dust and dirt buildup can impede the connection between the remote buttons and their sensors. If you suspect this is the issue, gently clean the surface of your remote control. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe out dust and dirt from the remote, paying special attention to the spaces around the buttons. For deeper cleaning, consider removing the outer casing and wiping the inside, being careful not to damage any internal components. Step 6. Try a universal remote or remote app. If all else fails, consider using a universal remote or download a Panasonic remote app for your smartphone. A universal remote can control various devices and often has compatibility with Panasonic TVs. Check compatibility and programming instructions specific to your TV model. Alternatively, the Panasonic TV remote app, available on iOS and Android, can serve as a suitable interim solution or even a permanent replacement. Fixing your Panasonic TV remote controller can often be done by following these straightforward steps. Start by checking your batteries, inspect for physical damage, reset the remote, and test the IR signal. Cleaning your remote can also alleviate button issues. Should these troubleshooting techniques not resolve the issue, trying a universal remote or remote app could be an effective solution. By following these methods, you can save yourself the hassle of not being able to control your TV efficiently. Always remember that sometimes a malfunction might indicate that a part replacement is necessary, especially if your remote has been subject to wear and tear over time. With these handy tips, you'll have your Panasonic TV remote working like new in no time. By following these methods, you can save yourself the hassle of not being able to control your TV efficiently. Always remember that sometimes a malfunction might indicate that a part replacement is necessary, especially if your remote has been subject to wear and tear over time. With these handy tips, you'll have your Panasonic TV remote working like new in no time.